Hi everyone, it was great working with you on your best experiments, and it was really nice to watch you try them on your own. One of the things I noticed is that sometimes you forgot to write down your units, and I wanted to make sure that you knew how important it was that you remember to do it. So I created a little video for you to watch and see if you can figure out why you think it might be important to remember your units. Hi everyone, my friend makes the best cupcakes, so I wanted to make a cupcake too. So I emailed my friend and they sent me back this recipe. It says flour 2, water 1, eggs 2, sugar 2, cocoa 3/4, milk 1. I think my friend forgot the units, but maybe we can just figure it out. I have all the tools that I need. I have a balance, I have some measuring cups, I have a graduated cylinder, I have a little graduated cylinder, and I have a thermometer. I have my flour, I have my sugar, I have my water. I think I'm ready to go. So, I've started the recipe. I already have the eggs and the cocoa in my bowl, but now I have to add the milk and the water. But it just says 1. So, I'm going to use a milliliter. I have my water here, and my graduated cylinder is too big, so I need a smaller one. This is a little tiny graduated cylinder, and I'm going to put in 1 ml of water. And I have my milk. 1 milliliter of milk. Okay, and now I'm ready to add the dry ingredients. So I need 2 sugar. I think I'm going to use a cup. There's 2 cups right here. There's my 2 cups of sugar. And now I need 2 flour. I suppose I'll use my cup again. 2 cups of flour. Okay, now for the last step. Okay, well I've added all the ingredients, and it looks a little dry, but it's the first time I've made it, so I bet you it's going to turn out okay. It says I have to mix for a whole minute. You ready? I mixed it for a minute. It's still pretty dry. I think I have to start over again. Well, I had to start over. I don't think that was right. I really wish my friend had written down their units. I think 2 cups of flour and 2 cups of sugar was a bit much. So I changed it. I said it was 2 milliliters of sugar and 2 milliliters of flour. I've already added it to my bowl. I've already added my milk. I've already added my eggs, and I've already added my cocoa. Just the water. Instead of 1 milliliter, I think I'm going to add 1 cup. 1 cup of water. Okay, here we go. Well, it looks a little wet, but I think it's right. Well, I don't think that was right either, but at least it washed all the flour off me. Well, I had to call my friend. They told me the correct units. It was all cups. I needed cups of water, and cups of flour, and cups of milk, and cups of sugar. So my batter looks much better now. Off to the oven. Well, my friend said to cook it at 350, and I cooked it for 3 minutes, 50 seconds. It doesn't look like the way I remember it. Looks chocolatey though. No, not the way I remember it. This cupcake wasn't very good. I think I'm going to need to call my friend again, figure out what 350 means. They didn't tell me what the unit was. Well, it's been a long day. I didn't know what the recipe was because my friend didn't send me the units. I tried a lot of dry ingredients and a little bit of wet ingredients, and I got flour all over me. Then I tried to reverse it, and I got myself all wet, but at least it washed off the flour. Then I called my friend, and they set me straight. I found out that 350, that's the temperature of the oven. It was 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So I cooked my cupcake, and it came out pretty good. I even frosted it. And so now I'm going to eat my cupcake, and I'm going to remember that units are really important.